Hello guys, so for this video, pag-uusapan natin ang properties of radicals. So, the first one ay ang nth root ni A. Okay, tapos si A is raised to M. So, pwede po natin siyang isulat as ganito. Okay, tapos ilalabas natin si M. So, as you can see, si M dyan, ilalabas lang natin. So, that's actually the same. For example, we have the cube root of 8. Okay? Tapos si 8, may exponent siya dyan. Let's say, for example, 2. Okay? So, we can rewrite that one as, ayan, cube root of 8. Tapos, yung si 2, ilalabas natin. So, as you can see. Okay. Tapos, pwede niyo muna siyang i-simplify. So, basically, magiging cube root. Tapos, di ba si 8, you can rewrite that one as 2 raised to 3. Tapos, raised to 2. So, basically, makakancel out natin itong dalawa. Ayan at saka ayan. Kasi, bakit natin makakancel out? Because we can rewrite that one as like this. Ganyan. Lagay natin si 2. Diba? And it is raised to 3. Tapos, magiging 1/3 yan. Okay? Tapos, lagay mo si 2. So, basically, itong exponent, yan. Tapos, itong cube root mo, kasi yung cube root, we can rewrite that one as 1/3. So, yung cube root, ayan, naging 1/3 siya. Tapos, si 2, ayan. So, now, we can simplify that one. Basically, ay makakancel out na natin itong si 3 at saka si 1/3. Of course, 3 times 1/3 is 1. So, ang natira ay ito na lang, 2 raised to 2. Okay, so we can rewrite that one here sa baba, 2 raised to 2. And now your answer is 4.